Hello learners, welcome to Neenv IAS. My name is Kshitij and today we are going to start a new series for you. In this series, we are going to talk about mains previous year questions. Right? In the similar manner that we brought you prelims questions on science and technology, and thank you for showering your blessings on us. Please do the same for this video and our future videos. So in the similar way that we discussed previous year questions of 2024 prelims, similarly, we are going to start previous year question analysis for science and technology. So the topic, or rather the theme for this video is biotechnology. Now, what do I mean by theme and why did not I say the topic biotechnology? See, after the analysis of the syllabus of UPSC and the previous year questions, our team has seen that UPSC is in the habit of asking theme wise questions. That means questions will not be repeated, but themes will be repeated. So themes have been divided, and the first theme that we are going to discuss is biotechnology. Syllabus is here for your reference. You can pause the video and see it. But then again, we have divided this into themes, so it's better that you go theme wise for better output, right? So previous year questions, of course, that is our topic of discussion. To keep up the high relevance of the questions, since science and technology is based on current affairs, we are starting with 2015 till 2023. Now, if we see year wise, there has been a question in 2017, 2018, 2017 for 10 marks, 2018 for 15 marks, 2019 for 15 marks, 2021 15 marks, 2023 10 marks. Now, I am not going to say the questions here right now because we are obviously going to see them one by one. But the priority here is to understand that almost every year, except 2-3 years, there have been questions, and this is not on science and technology, mind you. This is on the topic, the theme of biotechnology. So biotechnology is an important area. Now, if we see the analysis that I have prepared for you, after going through all the questions, see, the thing is, science and technology is a dynamic paper. It's a dynamic paper, which means that there is high role of current affairs. Hence, you have to prepare current affairs properly so that you can write relevant content. And of course, this is a competitive exam. So you have to create your own content, and then you can do content differentiation. So this is important. To stand out, it's important, right? Also, since this is based on technology, so there is a danger that you might become factual, right? While guiding students and checking a lot of papers, I have seen this thing that people tend to get very factual because they think that will fetch more marks. But this is a general studies paper. In mains examination, what matters is analysis. Prelims is there for facts. Of course, there are some analytical questions in prelims also, but mains is mostly about analysis. Facts are supplementary, right? So remember, this is a general studies paper. Try to use simple language and simple examples. There is a danger of going technical. Because of the technical nature of science and technology, people tend to write a lot of technical stuff. Then again, this connects to my previous point that analysis is more important, and your words should not have heavy jargon. They should be simple enough that they can be understood by somebody who has read basic science, right? So keep that level, let's say of NCERT level or newspaper level. Also, you can refer to our model answers which we have prepared for you. You can refer the language of that. So next point is diverse answers. Also, this is an observation while guiding students that they tend to get hyper focused on one point for the answer, but the answer needs to be diverse. That means you need to cater to every thought that you can understand about the topic, because this is very important. And I'll show you one question also, and I'll point it out there that why this point is important. Okay, we'll see that in the question. Value addition. Many times we don't have enough content which is asked in the question for basically the answer we are writing, and we don't have the enough content. So what we can do in that instance, we can simply go for value addition. We can add relevant peripheral points, but of course they should be relevant. We can write them in point formats or in a diagrammatic manner. In some questions, I have given value addition for an holistic understanding. Of course, sometimes there is time limit and you might not remember it in the exam. That is okay. But the point is, if you know those points, you will write something, and that will create a holistic 360-degree answer. Finally, value of PYQ. See, as an aspirant, you need to understand the nature of UPSC, and trust me, only UPSC knows what it wants. But the point is, from its syllabus, its questions, we can analyze, we can summarize, right, what it wants, we can conclude. So the point is, that is the point of our exercise. We are going to give you questions so that you can see what is the nature of questions, why they are asking, and of course, in between questions, I am going to tell you how this was asked, why this was asked, right? So direction is needed so that you don't waste your time, okay? And content, of course, right? We all know about it.